Guys, Anthony Ford, Kong Armor. Behind me here, if you guys see this little house, and of course every time I talk on camera, you guys already know that there's probably a monster truck or you know, somebody on a quad or something that's got a modified exhaust system. Anyways, behind me here, this house, trim, horrible. It's damaged all the way around. Kong Armor, main focus decks. I told you guys before that there's a really good chance that a lot of this might bleed into exterior painting sometimes, and that's the case here. We're going to do the trim of this house here in Kong Armor. She really needs something that can handle the expansion and contraction. And like I said, she needs she needs something that can handle the expansion and contraction, and she needs some UV protection, you know, a coating that's a little bit better at handling that wood movement outside. Yeah, here's a house that we're getting ready to do with Kong Armor. This is in Fort Mitchell, Kentucky. You can see the damage here. We're gonna do all this in Kong Armor, and I'm gonna warranty it for life. All right, she's got this type of damage going on around the house with her outside trim. She really needs something to help her from the UV rays and stuff like that, and we're gonna help her out. You guys, just to wait and see what we did here. Man, I tell you what, it's crazy. From a standpoint of toughness, this paint system here at the Fort Mitchell exterior, this Kong Armor Elastomer paint system on this house, just a billion times tougher than what it was here. And you can just tell in the build of it, you know. Let's take a look at this gutter system and I'll show you guys. Look at this gutter system. You see the build on that? Just tough and rugged, dude. This coating activates with heat and temperature. All that ruggedness that you see, it's able to expand, okay? When the temperature and stuff warms up, if that metal starts to move a little bit, that stuff will expand with it. Gives it this extra room to stretch out really far, up to 300%. Same thing here. You see up here, she had some peeling paint here. We come in, scraped all that stuff, come over top of it with several thick coats, lock that down. It's not going to peel no more on her, okay? She ain't going to have no more big peeling, you know, side section of her house. Save a little bit of money by not replacing it and just locking it down, you know. Same thing over here in this area here. Now get up close so you guys can see. We had a bunch of damage up in here, right where that power is, connects and stuff. Don't think I can do it with my, so in this area here, we had a bunch of damage, a bunch of peeling. Locked it all down. Looks beautiful now. And then, this is the way to go. If you're painting the exterior of your house and you're wanting lifetime protection, you got a lifetime warranty with this. You believe that? She got a lifetime. If it ever, unless she hits it with a baseball bat and damages it or something like that, if it peels, cracks, anything that's unwarranted, Kong Armor will come and fix it for her. That's powerful, dude. Considering how much you all are spending painting your houses and stuff like that, that's powerful stuff. Look at this. Look at that gutter system. Just tough and rugged. If you stand back here, it's not ugly and unsightly. It looks just like anything else. It looks pretty. It looks fine. It looks beautiful. I think there's some concerns early on about maybe this coating is maybe a little bit too tough and too rugged looking to look beautiful on the exterior of houses, and what we're finding out is just not true. It's just not true. I wouldn't paint my house with anything else. Let me just tell you that. Knowing what I know and knowing how this moves and the expansion and contraction of it, look at this. You're going to end up like this over here. You're going to end up like this over here. You see this peeling and stuff she's got on her gutter lines? That coating can't move. That coating cannot move. Sure, it's flat and it's seamless and it doesn't have any imperfections. Sure. But it's got no room to move. It's got no room to move. See this buildup, this thick buildup that we put on here. Look. You see this thick buildup? Way thicker. Okay? And you can kind of see how it's got a rugged finish to it a little bit of a steeple. It has room to move. It has room to stretch. This stuff over here, these flat, dead ice flat finished coatings, they're stretched out when they're done drying. That's it. So if they have to stretch because of the sun, and they will, they're going to bust open like that. It's not rocket science, right? This house is extremely protected now. It's locked down, man. I mean, I'm impressed. I'm truly impressed with the trim system on this house and how protected it is now. Really, really good. We had good painters here today too that were doing exceptional work. I mean, just not skimping on anything, just doing really great work. Man, beautifully tough house, beautifully tough system. She'll be fine. She'll be fine here. I'm confident in this paint system. If she has any problems, all she has to do is call me. That's why people buy from Kong Armor, and that's why they buy from me, because they know I'm a man of my word. I don't lie to people. If I tell you I'm going to do something, I do it. I don't make it up. If she has any problems out of this system, and it's something that's unwarranted, it's not caused by, you know, a baseball or something like that, I will absolutely take care of it for her. I'm a man of my word, I always have been. All my deck customers know this too. This house turned out beautiful. It turned out beautiful. It turned out, I mean, just really good. Really beautiful, strong trim package on this house now. Exterior wood trim package. See you guys later. Have fun. Look, you guys know where to find Kong Armor, information on Kong Armor at, right? So you can go to kongarmor.com. We're getting ready to update that to a new site. But you can go to our Facebook page, which is probably the best site that we have in existence, really, to be honest with you. Facebook.com/Kong Armor. You can always call me at 859-815-0652. Cool, neat stuff. See y'all later.